Hello farm, I'm Josh from the Rift Valley in Kenya. I guess this is it. I'm very passionate farmer and I just want to share the journey with you. So I invite you to be there when I post a video, because I strongly believe we'll make a change together. So just welcome to Stepwise gardening, and this is it. In this channel I'll mostly deal with vegetables, fruits, flowers, and my favorite part, landscaping, and the general acts that can be very beneficial to gardening. And I strongly believe it's going to be a very great experience, and I just invite you to be there throughout the journey. Thank you.